Joyfully, I pause in this sweet moment to become still, to become quiet, and to turn my attention inward to the infinite, the light, the love of this universe that is expressing itself in, through, and as all of creation. And as I do this, I feel and sense that expansive awareness within me that allows me to remember that this God presence that I am turning my attention to is everywhere, that it is contained in, through, and as all things, all people, all expressions, everywhere. Oh my, what abundance that is. God form in abundance through everything and everyone. And therefore, right here where I am, that abundant nature of life itself is fully expressed in me, as me, through me. It is within me now, fully expressed, and within the beingness of every person who hears this prayer. I accept this and affirm this because I know we are one, right here, right now. And therefore, in this oneness that we are and that we share, I proclaim that the abundant nature of life is expressing itself fully and completely to, through, and as each one of us. That anything that is up until now inhibited the full expression of the abundant nature of life in our lives is completely released, let go of, and that in its place is this natural, effortless sense of being in the flow of the good that God is. Abundance and financial wellness and more good coming our way, coming through us as us now. This is what I proclaim. This is what I affirm. This is what is so right here and right now. I am so grateful that this is the truth of each one of us. So grateful that life so generously gives of itself to everything and everyone. In this divine gratitude, I simply release this prayer now into the action of that universal law that makes it so. In faith, in trust, it is done. I accept it and let it be, and so it is. Amen.